Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your age on Roblox to 13 plus. So if you have an account on Roblox, this under 13 year of age, then there are going to be a certain restrictions on your account, certain experience that you can't join. So if you entered the wrong birth date when setting up your account, you have probably tried coming over to the setting page. And if your account was set up by a guardian or parent, you are probably not going to have access and to be able to change your birthday over here. So what you need to do instead is just head over to the Roblox URL. You are going to type www.roblox.com/sport and then hit enter. Now from here, you will just need to fill out the information on this form. So just go through each of steps. Make sure that for the email address, you enter the email address that associated with your account. What device are you having the problem on? Select PC for the type of help category. We are going to select age-based settings and account with parental privileges. And then from the second drop down, click change child age. Then all you need to do is in the description, here it's saying something along the lines of height. When setting up my Roblox account, I accidentally entered the wrong birthday and I was not thinking too much about it. Please can you change your date of birth and then enter your birth date. And then all you need to do is press continue. If you get this verification message pop up, then complete the puzzle and then you can press submit. So once you have submitted that sport ticket, you will then need to head over to the registered email address on your account. And you will have received an email that looks at something similar to this. Now this is an automated email just to acknowledge they have received your request. But to actually go and change the age on the account, they first need a parental permission. So what you need to do is in the email that you will have to receive in this automated email, you will see this reference number. So all we are going to do is copy this number like so, and then you can just come down to the bottom of this email and click reply. And then you just need to reply this email with a reference number that was listed above. And you basically just need to say in this message here that I am a parent or guardian of this account and I would like to change my child age, and then you can enter your birth date. Once you have replied to this email with all details, it should take 24 to 40 hours for Roblox to update this for you. And that's basically the quickest way that you can update your age in Roblox.